Naghanap ka ba ng smartphone na below 7,000 pesos na magandang design, magandang performance, at magandang camera? Pues, ito next phone na papakita ko sa inyo is definitely for you, and this is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Itong phone na ito is just priced at around 6,800 pesos and it is really powerful. Pakita ko sa inyo ang full performance nitong phone na ito after this quick intro. Hi guys, I'm Pastor from the Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. Itong Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes in two variants. Itong 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage will come with the introductory price at 6,899. And itong 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage will come at an introductory price at 7,499. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, link on the description box below. And bago nyo i-add to cart ito, panoorin nyo muna ang aking full unboxing nitong phone na ito. So right now guys, i-unbox na natin ang Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So kita natin ang ganda ng kanyang box, no? Color orange and very refreshing ang kanyang box. Kita natin some of the specs nandito sa likod. It has a 32MP na front-facing camera, a Helio G88 na MediaTek processor, and of course a 50MP na ultra clear rear camera. On top of that, meron siya 90Hz of screen refresh rate. And tara, buksan muna natin. So tawagin muna natin ang ating cutter. Yan, right now, pilasin muna natin ito. So let's take this one out of the box. Ooh, nice. So nandito ulit yung mga specs na kailangan natin malaman. So tanggalin muna natin. So you can see that we have here is the pearl white color and it's very nice, very refreshing kind of color. And ang kanyang camera bump looks just like an iPhone. And nakasunod na Tecno Spark. And this one came as a surprise. Nandiyan pa ng audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, of course, loudspeaker. On the side, we can see ang kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button. And of course, kanyang volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, it's pretty clean. And on the other side, kanyang SIM tray. So, sundutin muna natin. So, you can see that we have a triple card slot, dalawang nano SIM, plus isang micro SD expansion. And sa harap niya is of course ang kanyang 32MP na front-facing camera. You can look at other things inside. Warranty card, user guide. Uy, may free jelly case pa siya. 18 watts na fast charging brick set, and of course ang kanyang Type-C cable. And nandito pa lang kanyang SIM injector. So yan guys, nakita nyo na ang full unboxing nitong phone na ito, si Tecno Spark 10 Pro. And nakita natin yung kanyang triple ring design dito sa likod. Looks very nice and very iPhone-ish ang kanyang design. And ang kanyang design is definitely in kasi flat na flat ang kanyang likod, flat na flat ang kanyang gilid. Definitely, it's the in thing for today. And itong phone na ito is being packed together with a MediaTek Helio G88. Alam natin, no, itong processor nito normally nakita natin sa mga phones with a price range of 8,000 to 9,000 pesos. And chinek natin yung kanyang Antutu benchmark score. Medyo okay naman, decent at 246,000 points. And once na breakdown natin, ito ang mga makikita natin points. Further checking sa mga ibang benchmark, makita natin dito sa Wildlife, ito ang score na nakuha niya. And ito naman ang nakuha ng score dito sa Geekbench 6. So tinry naman natin siyang itakbo sa thermal throttling test. So basically, nakita natin no, na okay naman ang kanyang performance. Hindi naman siya nag-red, though medyo naging kunting yellowish siya dito along the way. And ang kanyang max na GIPS is 133,000. Ang kanyang display is a generous na 6.8-inch na IPS LCD. And it has a 90Hz na screen refresh rate at its price point. And what's nice dito sa kanya is punch hole na siya at hindi na siya teardrop notch. Normally, mga phone at this price point, mga 7,000 pesos, makita mo, puro mga teardrop notch pa rin sila. But hindi dito. And another winning factor dito is ang kanyang bezel is hindi siya masyadong makapal. Except siguro ang kanyang baba medyo makapal kunti and ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio is around 86%. And tinry naman natin manood ng mga videos dito sa phone na ito. It was able to achieve a level 1 Wi-Fi security level, by the way. So, pwede kayo manood ng mga HD dito sa phone na ito. Watching videos on Netflix, on YouTube, and on other online streaming apps, okay. I was able to enjoy dahil hindi na siya teardrop notch. So, punch hole naman niya is hindi naman ganun kalakihan. So, okay lang naman. Hindi siya masyadong sagabal when you're watching your favorite Korean novela dito sa phone na ito. And, well, I can say na ang kanyang display panel is okay. Hindi yung mumurahin na display panel kasi mapapansin mo no, when you're using yung mga medyo lower end na display panel, medyo hindi ganun kaganda ang display. But this one, I was able to enjoy watching mga animes, watching mga Korean novelas, and just watching mga music video. Okay dito. Now, browsing on social media dito sa phone na ito is smooth thanks to its 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. Sa beat on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or just Twitter, okay na okay siya. Hindi naman siya nagka-hang, basta stable naman yung internet. Ito naman itsura when you're browsing on TikTok. So itong phone na ito is packed with a 5,000 mAh of battery. Okay naman siya, industry standard, and it can charge as fast as 18 watts. So tinry naman natin i-charge yung phone na ito from 10 to 100. Then nagtapos naman tayo within 2 hours. So ginamit ko naman itong phone na ito for roughly a week already here sa aking studio. And I can say, ang kanyang battery life is pretty much okay. It was able to last me through the day on normal usage. And tinry naman natin siya i-test dito sa PCMark na battery stress test. It was able to get an 8 hours na screen on time. And by the way guys, this one is being set at 90 Hz of screen refresh rate and 50% brightness. So imagine kung sinet natin sa 60 Hz, it could be higher at around mga 10 hours. So, tinry naman natin right now mag-game dito sa phone na ito. I was able to play 2 titles dito, si Call of Duty Mobile and si Tower of Fantasy. Now, pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, I was able to breeze through the game. Okay naman siya. Kaya naman G88 ang Call of Duty Mobile. So, tinry natin sa kanyang high settings. Okay naman siya. But there are times na medyo magkakaroon ng kunting frame drops, but it's very minor. Nakapag-enjoy naman na itong game na ito for roughly an hour and a half. And it's pretty much okay. The touch is responsive. The screen is okay. But siguro pinaka-downside lang dito sa phone na ito is yung kanyang sound dahil single loud firing speaker lang ang meron na dito sa baba with this stereo speaker. So I would suggest that you either use your favorite wired na headphones or wireless na TWS. Pagdating naman dito sa Tower Fantasy, medyo mas graphics intense siya konti as compared sa Call of Duty Mobile. So I was able to play the game. Okay naman siya, but you just need to lower down your graphical settings para to get you through the game. Kasi pag sinagad mo siya, mapapansin mo talaga medyo matindi ang kanyang frame droppings, no? But if you lower down the graphical settings dahil this one is a medyo graphical intense, so expect mo na talagang iinit ang phone mo dito. So my best suggestion is to lower down the graphical settings mo just to get you through the game Tower Fantasy without any problem. So guys, right now pag-uusapan na natin ang kanyang camera. And this one has a 50MP na rear camera and a 32MP na front-facing camera. And I can say that this one probably is the only phone at this price point na merong 32MP na front-facing camera. Kasi normally makita mo mga 32MP na front-facing camera is mga camera phones. Normally priced at around mga 17,000 pesos, no? But this one, makita nyo na here, right here, dito sa Tecnospark 10 Pro. And what's nice dito sa kanya, it is packed with a feature na normally hindi mo makikita sa mga phones kasi hindi nila masyado fino-focus to. And what I'm saying is the 3-level na soft light selfie. So makakalikot mo siya dito, kita nyo dito yung kidlat, no? So meron kang tatlong modes na pwede pakalikutin, either go for automatic flash, naka-torch, or yung soft light. So tingnan natin, no? Pag naka-torch, ganito itsura niya. And pag naka-soft light, ganito ang itsura niya. Trying the selfie camera on total darkness, ito ang itsura pag walang flash. Ito naman itsura niya pag automatic ang flash. Ito naman itsura niya pag naka-torch. And this one, the final one, pag naka-soft light. Imagine, no, binuhos ni Tecno all out sa kanyang selfie camera, giving you a little bit more dito sa kanyang selfie camera na hindi nyo mahanap at this price point. So, pinasyal ko naman itong phone na ito. On outdoors, I was able to take in some nice shots. And ang kanyang 50MP na camera was able to perform on outdoors. And napagkuha tayo ng 2x zoom shot dito. And it was still okay. And pagdating naman sa indoor, I was able to take in some of these really nice shots dahil ang camera na was able to enhance it a little bit better to make the photo more dramatic. And tinry naman natin kumuha ng mga food shot. And yeah, it was equally nice, making it looks more yummier than the one I saw in actual. Using it for low light shots, okay rin naman tong camera nito. It was able to perform as well. And what's nice dito sa kanya is ang kanya night shot. This one was able to take in this really nice photo. Medyo madilim na rin siya, no? But it was still able to take in this real nice shot. Ito naman some samples from indoor-outdoor na mga selfie shots. It was still okay. And yeah, pretty much good ang kanyang selfie camera. It was able to perform on outdoors and indoor low light conditions. Both is pretty much okay. Now, tinry naman natin siya gamitin for vlogging using the front-facing camera. Here are some samples. So guys, this is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, and recording at 2K display, I can see that the display is pretty decent and it's not really that shaky if you ask me, though it has a little bit of hard time adjusting to the light. There are some times that my face might look dark as it adjusts to the sunlight, like this one. And overall, I can say it's pretty decent and the camera is pretty nice. This is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. And here are some samples from the rear camera for video. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa phone na ito? Ang Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Now, first of all, I can say ang kanyang selfie camera is definitely okay. For its price point that it was able to perform, okay na okay ang mga selfie dito, no? And I can say that it's pretty much perfect when you're taking some TikTok videos. Another winning factor for me is kanyang design is definitely sleek and definitely in ang kanyang design. And I can say that yung phone na ito is simply perfect sa mga Gen Z na medyo tight ang budget. For my conclusion about this phone, this one is a good all-arounder phone na perfect for its price range at around 6,800 pesos. You get everything that you need dito sa phone na ito. Walang compromise, lalo ka ng selfie camera. And by the way guys, I'll be giving away one of this phone dito sa aking channel. And all you need to do is just follow me on my Facebook page at Gadget Psychic, and I'll be posting all the mechanics there how to win this Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na yung bell icon para di naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Psychic. What's up?